Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own flower press because I don't have the money to get a real flower press. First, you take some cardboard, and this is like a foot by 6 inches. I made this out of my laptop box. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it turned out really nice. So what you do is take your flowers. Wow. That is kind of difficult to do. Seems how the flowers don't always want to go along with the program. And any flowers that I show come from my own yard, because the people who owned the house before we did just just tossed out seeds everywhere. And it's not really that much of a big deal to me, but when you're actually trying to mow the lawn and scared to death to even bother with everything else. And this batch is for a very special friend of mine, Marcy. I actually don't know how to do these because they're so tiny. I mean, they really are tiny. I mean, look at that. How do I press those? I hope she likes these because I got a million of these as well. And I don't know. I don't know what these are. So because these flowers stick around a while, I can continuously add to it. I don't know how these are going to turn out. Let me finish these. Okay. Now, these I have already dried out. Now I'll show you what I did. When you're done, you just stick the biggest, heaviest book you got and just let it sit for a few weeks. This was my original set. But to be honest, I don't know how to send them without having them jostle all over the place and break on you. These are all dandelions. Whoops. And I don't know what these are, but the purple is pretty much gone on this. So what else I'm also going to do is I'm going to get a bigger container and put some of this in there and put my flower press in there. So it'll get done like 3 times faster. So that's basically 2 ways to try out your flowers. So if you like what you see, like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe. If I have a hype button, please hype it up. If you wish to do more, please check out my about section. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Namaste.